Welcome back. And this is the last tip in the series. I will post more as we get more updates and more opportunities for you. But this is relating to transfer of wealth. If you're kind of a candidate for tax planning, you may or may not be thinking about estate tax. What that means is once your estate reaches a certain limit, you will have to pay tax on transfers to your family members, whether it's gift during your lifetime or a gift after you pass. So what I want you to think about and kind of think about and explore with your accountant or tax advisor is a possibility of utilizing the fact that the stock values are now depressed, that the values of various assets, including some real estate in certain areas, are depressed, and possibly transferring those assets into a trust to realize the value kind of decrease, so that, for example, your heirs can then be a part of this, beneficiaries of this trust, and later get a growth which will the market will bounce back, the stocks will bounce back, the indexes will bounce back, the real estate will bounce back eventually. But at this time, the value is much smaller, so you will utilize less of your lifetime exclusion. You're given a certain amount for your life for tax-free gifts. Right now, it's about 11 million bucks, but in 2026, it goes back to 5 million. So we don't, nobody knows when we'll pass, but planning is everything. So what I suggest you do is explore this opportunity. It doesn't cost you anything. Some planning, some thinking, some brainstorming. Take a look and see if there are assets that are depressed in value now and will bounce back soon, so that you can take advantage of this situation and transfer them to your heirs that you wanted to transfer anyway at some point, now as opposed to later, and kind of utilize less of your exclusion, so less of your tax eventually, so that you kind of preserve more of your wealth. All right, so this concludes this mini series, and I'll be posting little tax tips, tax planning strategies in this playlist for you. I'll talk to you later.